When I think of Bali, I think of paradise. I think of a spiritual haven, and I think of a quickly expanding travel trend. Bali is a place I have heard so much about, and I had to check it out for myself. So I just arrived here in Bali and it is hot and humid, and my hotel room wasn't ready right away, so I'm walking around Kuta where I'm staying. Kuta is sort of the tourist center, as I can tell already. Just checked out the beach. There are so many people trying to sell you things, it's insane. The hotel I booked only cost about $45 a night, and I got a free upgrade to a balcony. I was not prepared for this hot, humid heat. It's about 99 degrees outside. That's how it feels anyways, according to the weather. And I think with my sleep deprivation and the heat, I might be ready for a heat stroke. So I think for now I'm gonna chill out, check out the pool, maybe the spa, and then regroup after that. So after having a mild case of heat stroke, I relaxed a little, I cooled off in the pool, and then I had a massage, and now I've taken a car through lots of traffic to a place called Made Warung to have some traditional Balinese food. I'm starting with a coconut, a large coconut, not a small young coconut. I learned a lot about coconuts just now from the waiter, and it came with a paper straw because they're progressive here. So I'm starting my culinary experience with traditional Balinese rice and etc. There's some vegetables and some meat. There's chicken and there's green beans and there's all sorts of other vegetables, and they put the chili on the side for me because I can't eat too much of that. It looks delicious. I sort of got lost when he explained everything, but I think this is dried fish on top of the rice, which is really good, not too strong of a flavor. Beef, a little spicy. Some sort of leafy green, collard green. Chicken. Like a curry chicken, that one's really good. It's just a smorgasbord. There was a little bit of poor planning on my part, but I raced to Seminyak Beach to catch the tail end of the sunset. I took a grab car. I probably should have taken a motorcycle, would have been faster, but I just didn't have the courage to do it just yet. But it is beautiful. So I'm strolling this narrow road next to the beach, observing all the parties that are starting this Friday night, and a lot of them consist of amplified acoustic guitar covers of popular music. so much nicer walking at night than it is during the day. I thought I might just walk all the way to my hotel, but I saw this sign at this coffee shop for a super shake. It's like a raspberry shake with cheesecake on it, and I thought I earned it. So I'm gonna have that with nice music from next door. I think I found the volcano that destroyed Bali a while back. This dessert is literally erupting. Once you start drinking through the straw, the shake underneath tastes somewhat healthy, actually. It's not all just ice cream. It tastes like it has yogurt in it. Man, these acoustic covers of 90s songs are right up my alley. I could get used to this. This is just the first of my 3-part series on my trip to Bali. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available.